the park. I see all the people, the wildlife, the trees. A beautiful day, but no one's aware what is underneath the coat I wear. People giving me a bunch of weird looks. They're all acting like I'm some kind of crook, keeping all the secrets so nobody knows. It's like I have a beehive under my clothes.
But the thing is, I actually have a whole beehive underneath my clothes. Stinging my arm, the sting of my ass. Oh my god, it really fucking hurts.
I take some cover underneath the bench. People don't pay too much attention. My entire body really does hurt, but I won't take this out of my shirt. The hive has got me acting suspicious. This honey probably tastes delicious. I want to reach in and grab something to eat, but I don't want to anger this bumblebee.
I don't think I would say I actually have a whole beehive underneath my clothes. The sting of my toes, the sting of my tits. Holy shit, it really fucking hurts.
Stampedes, I've had about enough. I'm hiding in trees, but they keep catching up.
Peace.
Run, it's all that I've done. The only thing inside, the thing I can't shun.